In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello board background. If you want your Trello board to feel more personal or easier to scan at a glance, changing the background is a quick win. Start by opening the specific board you want to customize. Make sure you're looking at the board itself with your lists and cards visible, so the menu options appear in the right place. Up in the top right corner of the board, you'll see a menu icon with 3 dots. This is your board menu, and it's where Trello keeps most of the appearance and settings options. Click that 3-dot icon to open the menu. Don't worry if your screen looks slightly different. Trello updates its interface from time to time, but the 3-dot menu in the top right is the key place to look. Inside that menu, select Change Background. This opens the background panel, which lets you choose what your board will look like behind your lists and cards. The change applies instantly to the board, and anyone who has access to the board will see it. So it's a great way to set the tone for a project or team space. From here, you have 2 main choices. You can use one of Trello's ready-made options, such as solid colors or curated photos, or you can set a personal photo. If you pick a built-in option, just click a color or image you like, and Trello will apply it right away. No save button needed. If you prefer a personal photo, choose the upload or custom option, then select an image from your computer. Trello may prompt you to adjust the crop so it fits well across different screen sizes. A few quick tips to make your background work for you. High contrast backgrounds help card text stay readable. Darker photos or muted colors make labels and due dates pop. Aim for a landscape image with a decent resolution, something around Full HD or higher, so it doesn't look blurry on large monitors. If your team collaborates on the same board, consider a background that matches your project theme or brand, but avoid extremely busy patterns that can distract from card content. If you try a background and don't love it, simply pick another one from the same panel. You can always go back to a clean, solid color for maximum clarity. And if you're on a different device later, like mobile, the same background choice carries over with your account. That's all there is to it. Open your board, use the 3-dot menu, choose Change Background, and select a built-in style or your own photo. Enjoy your refreshed Trello workspace.